Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So friends, viewers, in today videos I am going to show you the amazing and latest collections of Burmese dresses and transition dresses of Myanmar, which looks stunning and amazing. I hope you will also like this videos as well. So viewers, as you can see, both beautiful and amazing ideas. Latest design is beautiful and amazing designing. For the Burmese of neck designs, printed shirts and a lot of beautiful color combinations are also added in this video. I hope you will enjoy this video. So watch this video till end so you can enjoy more beautiful and amazing ideas. Combinations and color are amazing difference. Color combination, printed shirts, designs, sleeve designs. So they can also enjoy this amazing and gorgeous ideas. Also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon button. If you press the bell icon button, amazing and gorgeous ideas are different styles, different colors. So they can also enjoy this amazing and gorgeous ideas. Also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and also comment as well tell us that which type of video you want to see. We will make the videos into requests. Next time you can easily tell us if any type of videos, like any type of dresses designs, shoes designs, bag, anything which is related to fashion, you can easily tell us in the comment sections. And we will make the videos on your request. And viewers, as you can see, these beautiful and amazing collections of the Myanmar dresses, transition dresses. These beautiful dresses on any special days of the years. So viewers, thanks for watching. We will meet beautiful and amazing ideas, different styles and different ideas. Easily tell us in the comment sections. And we will make the videos on your request. And viewers, on you can this videos, please subscribe my channel